Now there is a third display. So one PFD, one horizontal situation indicator for each pilot, and in the center is EWD or ECAM, electronic control and aircraft monitor. Okay, engine warning and display. It has different pages which you can select. For example, here engine parameters are there. Okay, then other system, parking brake is on, this, that, takeoff. A checklist has come depending on which phase you are. Auto brake, max, signs on, seatbelt signs, cabin checked from the cabin crew, all clear. Spoilers, flaps, takeoff configuration test.